Hi everyone! Welcome on my channel Tasty Kitchen. Today we're gonna cook a most popular dish in the world. It is a pizza. Yes, this is really the easiest pizza dough recipe and the fastest way to prepare this dish. Believe, it is very tasty, tender and juicy with peeling cheese. This homemade pizza does not compare to a store or from a restaurant. Okay, let's start. First, we'll make dough. To do this, we need 250 grams of kefir and 1 egg, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Then mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder for the dough to the flour and mix it. Pour into the mixture of kefir and eggs, mix well. The dough should turn out like thick sour cream. Cut ham. Cut mushrooms into plates. Tomato with half rings. And meat with not large pieces. We prepare the mold and lubricate it with vegetable oil. Pour the dough into a mold and distribute it around the edges. Paint with tasty tomato sauce or white cream sauce. The first is to lay out a layer of chicken meat, the second ham, the third mushrooms, and the last tomato. Put the heated oven at 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. No one pizza can do without cheese. We rub mozzarella cheese or parmesan or any other. The main thing is that it melts and stretches. Get the pizza out of the oven and show it with cheese. Put in the oven for another 5 minutes at 180 degrees. Pizza is ready! It's turned out quickly and most importantly delicious. Be sure to try. Bon appetit and good mood! If you liked the video, make likes, subscribe to the channel, write comments, watch other video.